Let's add two fingerprints. Go to your phone settings. In settings, scroll down. Tap on security and privacy. In here, select lock screen. Now verify your phone, PIN, password or pattern. And under biometric section, here we can see the fingerprints option. Just tap on fingerprints. And currently, I have added my first fingerprint, as you can see. To add second or two fingerprints, just tap on add fingerprint. And tap on register. And now press your finger inside the circle. Lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. And then press again. Let's verify your finger. So that's how you have to verify your fingers. Once you successfully added your second fingerprint, if you want to add more fingerprints, just tap on add and go ahead and verify your more fingerprints in this page. So as you can see, I've added my two fingerprints. Now I'm going to lock my device. And let's go to lock screen and let's unlock our phone with fingerprint. As you can see, it's working perfectly. That's it.